The Mystery Basket competition is essentially teams from all over the state of Texas come to Austin to compete in a competition where they don't really know what's in the bag. They get the bag, they evaluate the bag, and then they have 50 minutes to try to come up with some dish that is exciting and well put together. The students really have a great time with it. We have high schoolers from all over the state of Texas that come. It's actually one of the largest high school competitions in the state of Texas.
So two of my favorite events are high school cooking competitions and graduations. And the reason being is I feel like it's the educational journey that they're taking. They come in as high school students, they're inspiring chefs, they go through school, and then we see them at graduation right before they go off and kind of achieve their dreams as becoming future chefs. So what I think is great about these high school competitions is you look at all these students and they represent the future of the culinary industry. I mean, they're really going to be shaping the way that we eat and the way that we go to restaurants. And so it's really great to see them and kind of in their kind of beginning stages of their future careers.
Competitions are very important because it gives that theory that we have in class and actually puts it into play instead of just hearing me talk about it all the time, that you got to cook this at this temperature or you have to practice these safety and sanitation procedures. These competitions are absolutely important because it literally puts the theory into play.
I'm EILEEN NISWANDER. I'm co-owner of Yewa Creek Farms, Pecan Orchard, and Commercial Kitchen. We've been very impressed with the level of skill from some of the students. They've had some really creative uses of those mystery ingredients, and I would never know what to do with hibiscus or celery root, so they have really stepped up to the challenge and done a good job.
You see this enthusiasm and this dedication about the profession. I don't think there's anybody here who's just hanging around to see you know, what is going on. They are really motivated young people, and in general I think it's a profession that opens jobs to everyone who is willing to work.